First up is the DeWalt Mighty 20-volt Max XR Cut-Off Tool, the perfect solution for fast, one-handed cutting on site. Its 3-inch blade spins at an unbelievable 20,000 revolutions per minute, giving you the speed needed to slice through metal, tile, stone, and plastic like butter. We love the revolutionary forward and reverse function, which lets you quickly change blade direction to divert sparks away from your face in tight spaces. With an integrated removable dust shroud and airlock compatibility, keeping your workspace clean is effortless and compliant. Onboard wrench storage means no more hunting for accessories, ensuring you stay focused on the task at hand. This compact beast of a tool belongs in every contractor's bag for its versatility and raw cutting power. The new 20-volt Max XR Drywall Screwgun is here to redefine speed and precision in sheetrock installation. This drywall hero features a highly efficient brushless motor, optimizing both performance and all-day runtime on a single charge. Crucially, the top-mounted electronic mode select gives you 4 dedicated operating functions, including trigger mode, lock-on, and the popular push-start mode for rapid-fire placement. Its compact design reduces user fatigue during extended ceiling or wall applications, making your toughest days much easier to handle. The adjustable nose cone guarantees consistent setting of proper screw depth every single time, giving you a perfect finish. Plus, it's Tool Connect chip ready, so you can track and manage your inventory right from your phone. For the HVACR pros, stop wasting time with manual tools. The copper Swage tool is a game changer for soft copper tubing installation. This tool is engineered to expand tubing up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, drastically streamlining your workflow on complex jobs. You can achieve up to 620 precise swages per charge, meaning fewer trips back to the truck and more time earning money. Its automatic rotating head ensures a perfectly consistent and repeatable result every time, providing reliable, leak-free, fitting-free connections. The compact, right-angled design allows easy access into tight spots where other tools simply cannot reach. This is sheer punching power in the palm of your hand. The 20-volt Max Hydraulic Knockout tool delivers up to 11 tons of force for fast, clean holes. The optimized inline design and lightweight body make it incredibly easy to manage overhead and in confined electrical panels. A full 180-degree rotating head means you can position the tool precisely where needed, even in the most awkward orientations. The ingenious magnetic retention system holds your dies securely for perfect alignment and true, consistent punches from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. This tool increases safety and efficiency by cleanly splitting and dropping the slug without requiring secondary cleanup. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy, cumbersome materials with the revolutionary 20-volt Max Cordless GRABO lifter. This amazing tool provides a massive lift load capacity of up to 265 pounds horizontally, making it perfect for moving large glass, tile, or metal panels. Its powerful electric vacuum pump forms a secure, airtight grip on both non-porous and semi-porous materials like wood, concrete, and natural stone. The built-in pressure sensor is pure genius, automatically engaging the pump to maintain perfect suction grip, giving you total confidence in every lift. A bright integrated LED control screen and digital pressure gauge provide real-time status and load capacity information. Plumbers and electricians, meet your new best friend for quick and clean plastic pipe prep. The 20-volt Max Plastic Tubing Cutter. This specialized tool can slice through 2-inch schedule 80 PVC in as little as 3 seconds flat, vastly outpacing traditional ratcheting cutters. On a single charge, you can complete up to 400 clean cuts, keeping you working all day without interruption. It features both automatic and manual modes, allowing you to select the perfect approach for various material thicknesses and diameters. The high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade ensures every cut is clean and burr-free, ready for immediate fitting. The speed and efficiency of this tool are truly game-changing for repetitive cutting tasks. The DeWalt Pipe Prep is the world's first battery-operated dedicated power tool engineered solely for deburring the edges of pipes and tubing. This highly specialized 20-volt solution replaces cumbersome manual deburring, speeding up pipe preparation for a perfect fit every single time. It handles a wide range of material, including copper, PVC, CPVC, and metal conduit, with a nominal capacity from 3/8 of an inch up to 2 inches. The innovative design offers dual deburring functionality, effortlessly working both the inner and outer edges for seamless connections. Enhanced control is provided by a variable speed switch and a responsive paddle trigger, optimizing performance across various material hardness. The 20-volt max transfer pump is the cordless plumbing solution for quickly moving massive amounts of liquid with professional-grade speed and reliability. This self-priming pump boasts an exceptional maximum flow rate of 10 gallons per minute, ensuring swift drainage and transfer on the job site. Engineered for versatility, it is capable of transferring not just clear water, but also a 60% water, 40% propylene glycol mixture, making it perfect for HVAC applications. The pump can achieve an impressive lift height up to 25 feet, giving you the power to tackle basement floods and large tanks with ease. Being cordless, lightweight, and equipped with an LED power switch, it maximizes portability and control in dark environments. Introducing the POWERSHIFT system. DeWalt's 554 watt-hour battery is the powerful engine driving a new era of cordless heavy-duty concrete and earth equipment. This revolutionary battery technology is engineered to deliver a true 7 horsepower of sustained power, finally making high-cycle tools fully cordless. The robust capacity means extended run times on equipment previously constrained by gas engines or cumbersome cords. It's built with an incredibly tough sealed housing to resist the harsh conditions of concrete and dirt work sites. This battery is the foundation of the POWERSHIFT system, representing a paradigm shift in job site mobility and power density. To keep the POWERSHIFT batteries running your demanding equipment, you need equally powerful charging, and the 550-watt charger delivers just that. This high-wattage charger is specifically engineered to replenish the massive 554 watt-hour POWERSHIFT battery capacity in a stunningly quick 52 minutes. Such rapid charging capability is critical on the construction site, virtually eliminating downtime and maximizing crew productivity. The intelligent charging system optimizes battery health and longevity, ensuring your investment stands up to years of abuse. Its durable, job site-ready design is protected against dust and debris, just like the tools it powers. Shifting gears to outdoor power, the 2x20-volt max 21-inch cordless push lawnmower is here to conquer residential and light commercial lawns. Running on two 20-volt max batteries, this powerful system provides the robust performance of a traditional gas mower without any of the noise, smell, or maintenance. The expansive 21-inch steel deck ensures efficient cutting and bag filling, letting you cover more ground in less time. A high-efficiency brushless motor delivers powerful torque, automatically adjusting speed to tackle even thick, overgrown grass conditions. Easy height adjustment and vertical storage capability round out this professional-grade outdoor essential. Experience the future of earth compaction with the POWERSHIFT 60-kilogram class rammer, eliminating gas fumes and pull starts from your daily routine. This professional compaction tool offers soft start functionality and 2 distinct speed settings, providing precision control tailored for different soil types and applications. It delivers high impact force necessary to achieve up to 18 inches of dense, consistent compaction depth. This cordless rammer maintains the power and performance expected of a 60-kilogram class machine while offering the incredible runtime of the POWERSHIFT battery system. The robust build quality is specifically engineered to handle the relentless vibration and dirt of trench work and footings. For larger area soil prep and base layers, the POWERSHIFT forward plate compactor brings true battery-powered utility to the 15 kN class. Featuring a sealed brushless motor, this compactor is completely protected from the ingress of dirt and moisture, guaranteeing extreme durability and longevity in harsh conditions. It delivers powerful, consistent vibration necessary for maximum material density, ensuring a stable foundation for concrete slabs and asphalt. This machine moves at up to 93 feet per minute, making quick work of large areas without sacrificing compaction. The POWERSHIFT Backpack Vibrator is the ergonomic solution for high-frequency concrete consolidation, delivering power without being tethered to a generator. At a manageable weight of only 25 pounds with the battery, this unit significantly reduces strain and fatigue during prolonged use compared to traditional backpack setups. It utilizes the incredible high cycle power of the POWERSHIFT battery to ensure every pore is vibrated to perfection, eliminating air voids and maximizing concrete strength. The freedom of a cordless backpack vibrator allows a single operator to move seamlessly across large slab pours and awkward foundation forms. This tool delivers professional results in consolidation, ensuring a high-quality finish on every concrete job. Safety is always paramount, and the concealer goggle provides superior protection and clarity in the toughest, dustiest environments. This goggle features a comfortable, soft, dual-injected rubber seal that perfectly conforms to the face, forming an impenetrable barrier against debris and dust. Its high-quality lens is treated with both a tough coat hard coat for scratch resistance and an advanced anti-fog coating for perpetual clear vision. The low-profile design ensures a wide field of vision, and specialized ventilation channels further minimize the risk of moisture buildup. Meeting stringent ANSI 87.1 plus impact standards, these are the essential choice for reliable, all-day eye protection on any job site. The DeWalt Tough Series. Construction. Jack is the highly durable multi-purpose tool designed for lifting, leveling, and securely holding heavy materials in place. Engineered for incredible lifting capacity and precision placement, this jack is indispensable for cabinet installation, decking, floor leveling, and setting doors. Built with the extreme durability of the Tough Series, it withstands the roughest abuse and heaviest loads found on commercial construction sites. Its fine adjustment capability ensures perfect alignment, eliminating the need for awkward, improvised lifting methods. This tool is a fundamental piece of equipment that brings both safety and surgical precision to heavy material manipulation. The XR hammer drill driver remains a cornerstone of the 20-volt max lineup, representing the pinnacle of cordless drilling power and control. Equipped with a high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor, this machine delivers up to 3 speed settings for incredible versatility across wood, metal, and masonry applications. Its integrated hammer function provides the necessary force for quick drilling in concrete and block, making it a true all-in-one solution for contractors. The rugged all-metal transmission is built for relentless daily use and maximum torque transfer under extreme load conditions. A powerful integrated LED light keeps your work area illuminated, eliminating shadows in tight corners and dark spaces. When the cleanup calls for serious power, the gas cold water pressure washer answers with uncompromising force and high flow rate. This professional-grade beast delivers a massive 3,300 psi and maintains a robust 2.4 gallons per minute, making quick work of grime, paint prep, and concrete cleaning. Powered by a dependable gas engine, this unit offers maximum portability and sustained, heavy-duty performance far exceeding electric options. It's built on a durable, solid frame with rugged, puncture-resistant tires, ready to tackle rough terrain and constant job site relocation. This is the ultimate cleanup machine for contractors, providing the high pressure needed to maintain a professional, clean job site presence. For professional pipe fitting, the 20-volt Max Compact Press tool is the industry leader in efficiency, delivering dependable connections in a manageable size. Its compact, ergonomic design allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, perfect for mechanical rooms and under-sink applications. This tool is compatible with most professional-grade press-fitting brands, providing versatility across your different projects and material requirements. The integrated LED light illuminates your work area, ensuring accurate fitting alignment and reducing costly mistakes in dark environments. A RAM release button allows for easy cycling, and the tool is Tool Connect chip, ready for streamlined asset management. Finally, the DeWalt Tough Wire Tough Lock DW2 system gives you a tool-free, secure, and adjustable locking mechanism for suspending cables, ducts, lighting, and mechanical systems. Designed to work with tough wire cables, it allows quick height adjustments with a smooth sliding action that locks instantly under load. Made for demanding commercial and industrial environments, it ensures stable suspension, whether you're installing electrical runs or lightweight machinery. Even with gloves on, the latch mechanism is easy to operate, speeding up overhead installations by a huge margin. Its small size but high strength makes it a must-have for clean, safe, and organized ceiling systems. For contractors who want efficiency and safety in one device, Tough Lock delivers big results. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Links in the description. We'll see you next time.